going on, guys? In this video I'd like to give you more information about the Mercedes wheel part number. Please stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share with your friends. I'll appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel and build up my audience. Please stay tuned. As I mentioned in my previous video about the part number, it's gotta have Mercedes logo along with letter A. But before that, how do we know what wheel do we have, and is it possible to tell the part number without taking off the wheel? Not really. It's very hard unless you do online research. But for now, let's say you don't know the part number and you don't have any information, so you cannot tell it unless you take it off from the car. And then once you take it off, you have to put the wheel face down, and then you're going to see the numbers on the spoke or on the barrel or on the hub of the wheel. So they come in 3 different spots. You have to thoroughly check it. If you have a refurbished wheel, sometimes they put too much powder and then or the paint, and then it's very hard to look for the part number. And just check it thoroughly through the barrel and through the hub and through the spokes, because if they put like too much powder, you cannot see it. It's very hard to see. Sometimes they just, when they remanufacture or refurbish it, they just strip it and then it's gone. You cannot see it. That's all about the location of the part number. Once you find the part number, you're gonna see letter A along with 10-digit number, and the beginning 3-digit usually starts with number 1 or number 2, and then to 11 to 12 to 04 to 05. That's the beginning 3-digit numbers. Yeah, it sounds pretty familiar, right? I think you guessed it. It's a chassis number. It's 211 type, 204 type, 222 type, 221 type, etc. And then right after that, you're gonna see another 3-digit number, 400 for older version, 401 for the newer version. The only thing you should know about it is that it's related to the wheel and wheel center cap. So basically it means wheel and center cap. And then you're gonna see 4-digit number at the end, ending with a 02 or 00. So the last 2-digit number, you don't have to worry about it. At least for now, it doesn't mean anything. But right before that, very essential information, because if you have staggered setup, you can guess the part number for the front and for the back. For example, you have E-Class, and then you have the part number 212 401 3602 for the front. And let's say you have a sedan and you're not sure about the rear wheel, which one you have, so you can just increment the number by 1, 3702. That's the rear wheel, and you don't increment the last 2-digit, but you just increment the 2-digit number before the last 2-digit. So you just increment the number by 1, and then in most of the cases you're gonna have the number for the rear, and then if you decrement it by 1, you're gonna have number for the front. FYI, for the part numbers for the sedan and for the coupe sometimes differ. That's why you have to make sure you have the proper part numbers for the front and for the rear. For example, for the coupe, it comes 18 by 8 size, and the part number might be 207, and for the rear it might be 212. So you have to make sure about the size and then the part number for the front and for the back if you have coupe or sedan. For the sedan, it comes in traditional way in most of the cases, but for the coupe, the front part number might be a little bit different, meaning it may not follow the pattern or the format that I mentioned in this video. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share with your friends. Thank you.